In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your desktop files from OneDrive after they've been accidentally deleted. We've all been there, files go missing and you're suddenly filled with panic. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step of restoring those precious files, ensuring your data is safe and sound. First, let's start by checking the recycle bin on your computer. This is always the best place to begin because deleted files often end up here. Simply double-click on the recycle bin icon, and once you're inside, carefully look for your missing files. If you spot them, just right-click on the file or files you want to recover and select Restore. This action will return your files to their original location on your desktop. If your files aren't in the recycle bin, our next stop is the OneDrive Online Recycle Bin. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website, then sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the recycle bin, which you can find on the left side of the screen. Here, you should see a list of deleted files that still exist in your OneDrive account. Scan the list to locate your desktop files. If they're there, just click on the checkbox next to each file you wish to restore and then press Restore at the top to bring them back to their original place in your OneDrive folders, which sync with your desktop. Next, if for some reason the files aren't in either recycle bin, let's check the Restore Your OneDrive option. This feature allows you to take your OneDrive back in time to a point before the files were deleted. To do this, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the OneDrive homepage, then go to Options. Here, you'll find the Restore Your OneDrive function. You'll need to select a date prior to when the files went missing. Use the activity chart and feed to help you choose the correct time frame. After picking the right date, follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. If these steps don't work, there is still hope. In cases where files are beyond the OneDrive recycle bin's retention period, consider checking any file backups you might have. This could be through third-party cloud services or external drives if you've been backing up your data. And there you have it. These methods are your best bet for recovering files that have gone astray after a OneDrive mishap. Remember, it's always a good habit to regularly back up important files to prevent potential data loss in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you reclaim your lost files. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.